Hi, I'm Morgan Allison with KW Commercial. I am a commercial realtor and I'm an all-around tech guy. And what I want to do is help you leverage your technology so you can supercharge your real estate business. Today I want to talk about this little gem called Google Drive for Desktop. And this is what it does for you. It lets you keep a local copy of everything that you want from your Google Drive on your computer so you can use it more effectively. So having a local copy of your files, your PDFs, your Word documents, those kinds of things, is a lot better to have on your local computer, like directly on your desktop computer or your laptop. It's just a lot easier to edit them, to create them in the first place, to manipulate them in any kind of way that you need to. But you also want to have the benefit of having them on the cloud, because if they're in your Google Drive, you can do things like access them on your phone. You can share them with other people very easily. So what Google Drive for Desktop does is it gives you the best of both worlds. And I'm going to show you how. The first step is to download the app, and I'm going to give you a link in the description below to do that. Once you do that and you install it, this is what you get. Okay, so you'll see this is in my File Explorer, and I have like my regular disk drive right here, and just like it's another drive on my computer, there's Google Drive. And if I click on Google Drive, it'll have my drive, it'll have shared files on my drive, and then it's got all of my folders. Now, the way that you make these accessible all the time, just as if they're on your local drive, because they are on your local drive, what you want to do is select the folders that you want to have kept locally, right click, show more options, and you'll see here these options: offline access, make them available offline. So what that'll do is that'll download to your computer everything that's in that folder, and it will mirror that folder with your Google Drive folder. So then you can just access it just like anything else. So just to give you an example, here's my work folder. If I go into it, let's say documents, I can drag and drop. What I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, drag and drop, and I'm going to create a shortcut there. So now I've got a shortcut on my desktop to all my documents. I click on that. It takes me to my documents folder, and I can start using my documents from my folder, and it's mirrored on Google Drive. So I don't have to worry about losing them if something happens to my if I break or lose my laptop. My files are still in the cloud. It has all those kinds of benefits. Also, I can do things like if I wanted to put something on Google Drive, all I have to do is drag and drop it to the folder, and it's going to be uploaded to Google Drive. So extremely convenient, best of both worlds. I highly recommend it.